From left to right, you can meet the third grade team. We have Miss Keating, Mrs. Kern, Mrs. Polk, and Mrs. Hyla.
Here's a typical day in the life of a third grader. So we'll start out our day with Leader Loop, then move to Read Aloud, reading workshop or writing workshop, depending on your child's teacher. Then we'll have specials, followed by reading or writing. Lunch, recess, math, science, or social studies, pack up and dismissal. Each class has library for 45 minutes each week and strings for 60 minutes on either Thursday or Friday. Your child's teacher will be sending home a more detailed schedule in the near future.
For first quarter, we will be focusing curriculum around several different big ideas. In reading, we get to start our Building a Reading Life and Mystery unit. We'll be working on building good reading habits, understanding characters, and making predictions. In writing, we'll be crafting true stories with a focus on narrative writing skills. In math, here comes the big one. In third grade, we start multiplying and dividing. Extra practice and flashcards at home are encouraged as we are learning our multiplication and division facts and processes. In science, we'll be focusing our thinking and learning around life cycles and animal survival with adaptations. And in social studies, we're going to take a look at the cultures that surround us and are around the world.
We do our best to meet each individual's needs. After our mini lesson, each subject will include small group or one-on-one time with your child's teacher. The first several weeks will be spent assessing your child and goal setting with your child.
We have some important technology tips. So there is emails being sent out. I think they've already gone out, and you can opt in or out of Chromebook insurance. However, we highly recommend this, as we all know accidents happen. Please encourage your child to have a safe spot to store their Chromebook and charge it each evening, and ensure that it comes back to school fully charged the next day.
Bellerive is a Leader in Me school, and each month we have a different habit that we will be focusing on that also aligns with our theme this year, Bellerive Leaders Work Hard, Dream Big. On your screen, you can see a plan for the month and what habit will be focused on so that you can work with this on your child at home.
We have many ways for you to help promote the habits at home. Watch for your child to demonstrate the habits at home and submit an all-star leadership form. Also, each month your child will bring home a habit at home activity that you can complete as a family. Leadership binders are back this year. Your child will bring home their leadership binder nearly every Wednesday so that they can share with you all the achievements they've made in the past week.
For early release days, we will have early release days this year. These days will focus on leadership, learning the habits, and synergizing with others. We hope eventually to bring back lead time, buddy time, service learning, and more. We have to get creative with them being virtual opportunities.
We love having your child here each day. If they are healthy and they're feeling well, please make sure that they're at school. If your child is going to miss school, you need to call the attendance line to let us know why they're out. If your child is showing any COVID-like symptoms, please alert Nurse O or Dr. DeBosch so they can work through the contact tracing process. Our goal is to keep all students safe and healthy. Doors open at 9:05 a.m.
Please make sure to check out the district calendar, as we now have early release and half days built in throughout the year. It will be important for you to mark your calendar on these days. Early release days end at 2 p.m. and half days end at 1:05 p.m. You can find the day-to-day calendar on the Bellerive website and upcoming events on the web. We do not have events posted far in advance, as we are still determining what each event will look like.
Trying to stay organized. Each week, your family will receive a weekly update or newsletter from your third grade teacher. On Wednesdays, Dr. DeBosch sends out family reminders about things happening at Bellerive. We now have a family hub where you can locate quick links to important documents, ABCD calendars, contact information, and other important items. We also have a building Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube account. We love to post pictures and videos to celebrate our awesome kids and school.
Reminders. We encourage every family to purchase Bellerive Leadership t-shirts. All grade levels will have a grade level color shirt this year and will need to be purchased on Infinite Campus by September 11th. We will have lots of spirit days throughout the year where they will be worn. If you have not turned in your emergency dismissal, please do so. It is imperative that we have good contact information and a plan.
Join us on Zoom on Tuesday at 6:30 or 7:15 p.m. to learn more about third grade and what's happening here at Bellerive.
Thanks for watching, and we look forward to working hard with your child and dreaming big this year.